your perspective, sebab you jaga houseman. I
Dululah.
punya department memang tak ada houseman, selalu MO. Apa beza dia orang dengan kita dulu?
Most of my career dekat Borneo,
Okay,
Sarawak.
oh.
So I may be biased because now when I did fellowship, I transfer from Borneo to Semenanjung. I'm so sorry if my opinion hurts. Okay, tapi I rasa in Klang Valley or in Semenanjung in general, maybe dorang lebih, I don't say malas ke apa, tapi memang mungkin
Manja.
dorang manja tu mungkin. And dorang memang memperjuangkan hak dorang kot. People in Borneo, I think the houseman and the medical officer more rajin kot. So they don't be so calculative. So
tak
dorang
berkira.
tak berkira. So tak pasti sama ada ini budaya kerja kat sini ke tak. It might hurt if I say this, like I never see in my life that houseman take EL like freely.
Dekat Sarawak. Dekat
Sarawak
Sarawak.
I tak rasa. Even masa I kat jadi general surgeon 3 years ago pun dekat Miri tu, tak adalah houseman I ambil EL dengan sesuka hati. Every day tu 10 houseman EL, 10 MCs on top of like their off day.